Hello, I'm Otino Tony Boro, an educator, and today I would like us to talk about inclusive learning environment, and we'll measure on the challenges and the strategies on how to curb the challenges. That to start with, I would like to shed more light about inclusive learning environment is one where every child has a sense of belonging and has a belief that he or she will succeed in that environment. Now, to mention just but a few of the challenges that we as educators sometimes face in our learning institution. Number one, you get that there is diverse student needs. And when I talk about diverse student needs, I'm referring to different learning styles, different cultural backgrounds. I'm talking about languages, and also I'm talking about time takers. And to crown it all is about socio-economic status. Number two in line, we have implicit bias and stereotyping. Sometimes you can get that you've humiliated a child or a fellow child has humiliated the other unintentionally. That one making the contribution in class becoming a bit challenging. Another one is about lack of resources or of training. Another thing is about resistance to change. Then we have the language and communication barrier. We also have limited representation in curriculum. Now, to come up with the strategies on how to curb what I've just mentioned earlier, we should, as an educator, I should have a culturally responsive teaching skills in my classroom. Another one is about universal design for learning, whereby I bring different methods and then the children can pick from there. There is issue of professional development in the same. And I think I'm supposed to build a good relationship with my learners and the community at large. That is the rapport between me and the learners so that they can feel they're not neglected. I should also use inclusive language that is not gender biased to incorporate all my learners in place. Another thing is about I should use the flexible assessment method. That's, for example, representation, the project in my learning environment. I should also collaborate with support service in the school. That is the language department, just to mention but a few. Another one, I should also create a safe space for my learners. That is, I should make rules that will not bring forth one intimidating the other. They're supposed to be straightforward rules that will help my learners in curbing the same. I want to bring an instance whereby I had a learner who had dysentery. That is the slurred speech. I had to take the child through process. That is number one. I had to undertake something known as a speech therapy. I also had to inculcate the alternative communication methods, and also I had to rely with other stakeholders, that is the medic, to offer the medication about the same. And as we share today, the child has developed fluency in his speech, and now he can manage to speak. Otherwise, thank you.